Mr. Beast has an estimated net worth of $100 million. If you would have earned $49,400 every single month from the day Christ was born all the way until today, you still wouldn't be worth more than Mr. Beast. But here's the thing, Mr. Beast is a YouTube creator, and what he does is an extremely difficult thing to do. So in order to replicate what Mr. Beast does, most people on planet Earth would never be able to do that. But what if there was an easier way where you could still get a piece of that internet pie, still generate a lot of income online, and not necessarily have to be an amazing creator? Now, there's something called digital product selling, where all you need to do is resell other retailers' products. This is a $12 billion underground industry, and anybody can start this from anywhere in the world. All you do is just head to a very popular product network like Digistore24, find the right product, grab the special link, put it onto one of your social media accounts like Instagram or TikTok or YouTube Shorts, and when somebody clicks on your link and buys through your link, you generate a commission that gets paid to you directly by Digistore24. Generating income this way is much easier than becoming a huge YouTube star and creator like Mr. Beast, and you can still get a very big piece of that pie. If you want to learn step by step how to get to 5 figures a month with digital product selling, follow me on my channel, click the link in my bio, and just go through the training step by step.